What's up, everyone? Yeah, this is your boy Untitled. But unfortunately, I've got bad news for you guys. Soon I'll be dying because of COVID-19. Just kidding, guys. I'm perfectly in 100%. I'm not sick or anything. I don't even have COVID-19. Super happy. Just doing what I do, making tutorials. Okay, so let me minimize that. And also these. Okay, I need them to be as little as possible because it's about to get dirty here. Okay, guys. I've seen many people talking about like Freecodecamp .org and how it changed their lives. Okay, so let me get this straight. Did Freecodecamp.org change your life? Stop doing like fake videos on YouTube because we're not interested in your life. We're interested in more about learning. Just kidding. To all my friendly YouTubers out there, it's cool. It's cool. I know Freecodecamp also changed my life because I was not a developer. I was in matric. In fact, last year I was in matric. So I saw that the education system was not that balanced anymore because certain jobs were not like available. So I had to like do something so that I cannot find myself smoking drugs, doing all that stuff. So I wanted to make money for myself and for my family. So what I did, I learned, I did some research online on how to make your own app because I had an app idea that I want to make. So I'm still going to make that app because I'm still learning. So yes, guys. I wanted to create an app. So I ended up falling in love with like coding, and then I found it myself doing a front end mostly, which is a responsive web design. So I found myself doing that because I wanted to know like almost everything on the internet. Because why not? Okay, so I wanted to start on the front end so that I can go to the back end because the back end part was like pretty very much hard for me because it was the first time being exposed to something like this. Especially when you are seeing it for the first time, you've never heard of it, you've never even seen it anywhere in school, you don't know it. All you know is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So this thing can actually change your life. It's a very very powerful platform, especially because it is free. I don't know why it is free, but it is. So you are in luck. You are very lucky to have such a platform. So I would like to dedicate this video to thank Freecodecamp very much for doing this. Thanks. Thanks very much. I don't wanna lie, this helped me a lot. So okay, guys. So in this playlist, which is a responsive web design on the freecodecamp.org, so I'll be showing you and helping you on some of the exercises that will be like complicated for you, or you are seeing it for the first time. I'll try to like explain everything in a human way because most of the developers explain things like in more of a computer way or a programmed way. Like they will say one and the same thing. The other tutorial videos talks the same thing, and then also this one says the same thing. Like it's programmed or automated. So I'll be helping you throughout this course. So as you can see, responsive web design. Okay, so let me start off by going to my profile. You can log in or you can register. It's simple. So let's go to my profile. It's simple to register. So as you can see, I joined on September 2020, just like I told you, it was the corona times. Also now it is the corona times, but that time it was rough because we didn't even know that something like this might come. So it affected us. So as you can see, I joined on September. um I was not like pretty active here because I was doing metric and I had to prepare for exams, but I did well in my metric, guys. If you want to see my result, you can comment below and I'll share them with you. So as you can see, I've received my responsive web design certificate. I received it on the February 25. So as you can see, I received it on the 25th. So the reason why I didn't apply for jobs yet is because I still want to further more my knowledge. So I still want to learn more. That's what the tech industry is all like, because you need to learn. Learning does not stop in the tech world. You must be prepared to learn every day, every minute, every year. So learn every day, code every day, team code every day. Okay, so as you can see, these are the solutions that I completed. Okay, so enough about me, let's go to the curriculum. Okay, so there are many courses here which are very, very good. As you can see, there is a responsive web design certificate which includes HTML language, CSS language, also yeah, those two, because they have to be responsive, and those two languages go hand in hand in making a website beautiful, also responsive. So we've got JavaScript algorithms and data structures. Okay, so this is the most advanced stuff for a beginner. You know why I'm saying this is the advanced stuff? Because like you don't know like anything, you've never seen something called a function, you've never seen something called like an var. Those are like new words to you. So I prefer you to start with the responsive web design so that you can be able to see on how like programming, what it is actually, because it's not about like cramming all those concept in school, like you're gonna write a test. It will like it You need to know everything. Like you need to know, even if you don't know everything, like you need to have the basics. You need to know the basics, because without the basics you won't get anywhere. You will feel like stuck, you will feel depressed. Ask me, I've had that a lot. There are many courses, guys, here. Okay, so enough about me, let's go to the course overview. So this is our course that we are doing. I'm done with it, but I'll go again on it with you this time. Okay, so we'll read this on the next tutorial. Just want to show you as you can see here, you learn what is HTML and what are elements and all those stuff, the important stuff. Let me collapse this course. As you can see, just like I said, there is also basic CSS. So as you can see, there is applied visual design, there is applied accessibility, and then the responsive web design principles. And then the CSS Flexbox, which is good, but the most gooder stuff or the perfect stuff is CSS Grid, which makes our lives easier as programmers or front-end developers. So as you can see, you will have to develop these 5 projects for the responsive web design certificate. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll have to develop those. So if you want me to take you from the start to the finish, just comment on below, just say you are on board so that we can get started. Okay, so see you on the next video, guys. Like and subscribe. Also recommend others, because this is just a vast knowledge to grab on your own. So see you on the next tutorial, guys. Peace.